Hi, I'm Nicholas Mangrum, an electrical engineer at Tennessee Tech University, and this is the day in the life of me.
I chose electrical engineering because my dad is an electrician and he always would bring me on the job sites, and we build things like electrical distribution centers, which are just a bunch of circuit breakers basically. It was just really cool being in that environment and like seeing how everything works. I grew up and being like, I really want to do that when I grow up. So I chose Tennessee Tech because a friend recommended it to me. And when I first looked at the school, I was like, it can't be that good. But then I took a tour with my mom, and it turns out this school is phenomenal with their engineering program. Like, they have 6 buildings now and all sorts of different curriculums, and like expanding on like nuclear engineering and things like that. And then I got to do one of their workshop classes actually during the tour. So I like to start each morning off by taking my dog on a walk. Hi, Onyx. Then I go back, commute to class. So it is 7:47, and I'm waiting for my 8 a.m. to start, which is probability and statistics. Oh, we made a pit stop at Wendy's on the way to school too, so off to a great start. I go to math first, and then go to one of my digital systems class, and go to lab after that. Tennessee Tech offers things like hands-on experiences with my major. For instance, the labs. You get to like work with resistors and weld things and work with like the actual microchips and like wire it all together. Hands-on experience is important to me because I'm more of a visual learner. And it's kind of hard to grasp something that you read in a textbook when you're actually working on it hands-on. It's like, oh, I understand it now. That's how this works. That's where this wire is supposed to go. So after my lab, I go home and let out my dog. From there, I go to lunch, come to work. I'm at work right now with Nick and Nick Jr., and we're off to do a photo shoot. Being a federal work student at Tennessee Tech, I get to work with different departments around campus. So for instance, I chose the communications department. So I get to work with different people and learn editing skills, photography skills, lighting. We're about to do the second photo shoot of today's schedule. Woohoo! Hands-on things outside, like I got to photograph homecoming with the photography department, and that was a really engaging experience that I will always remember. Now I'm about to film a podcast with my roommate. And after that, I go to campus outreach and then intramural sports. Even though as a student I'm involved in many things, the work-life, social life balance, it was hard in the beginning, but after working through things with tutoring and straightening out all my classes and workload, it's easy to juggle now. I think one of my favorite memories at Tech was being able to walk through the engineering building, the new one that they built, the Ashraf Islam building. It was just the coolest thing to see everyone's work from all the different departments come together and be able to like see the cool security things that they got going on there and just how well built that building is. So what I love about this building is that after all my classes are done, I can come in here and study and lock in like I'm about to right now. My advice to incoming electrical engineers is to take advantage of the tutoring in the library, because they're actually students that have taken the class before you, made an A in it, so they know what the professor's like, the tests, quizzes, homework, they know what it's like, and they're able to help you and walk you through it step by step. And whether you ask a smart or a dumb question, they're not going to judge you because they're there to help you for free. Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing what it's like to be a day in the life of an electrical engineer. Until next time, bye.